Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your device supports overlays, and you know which app needs display over other apps permission. Next, open Settings and search for Display over other apps or Draw over other apps. This setting lives under Apps or Special Access on many phones. Tap the target app to view its permission toggle. If you don't see it, make sure user profiles or enterprise policies aren't blocking access. Once done, you're ready to adjust the app-level permission. Now you grant and configure the permission. Toggle the permission on for the app and watch for a system prompt asking you to confirm, accept it. Then, exempt the app from battery optimizations so Android won't kill the overlay service. Find this in battery or app settings and choose Allow or Not Optimized. Make sure notifications are allowed if the overlay relies on foreground service. After these steps, launch a simple overlay from the app to validate behavior and finish by finalizing and testing. Reboot the device to ensure system components register the new permission, and then open the app to confirm the overlay appears over other apps. If it still fails, revoke the permission, wait a few seconds, and grant it again. This often clears stale flags. If problems persist, inspect manufacturer-specific privacy controls or third-party security apps that may block overlays. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable battery saver and security overlays to isolate the cause before making permanent changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.